Today we're going to be making a variation of the popular trending pickle martini, but instead of pickles I'm going to use cornichons. To start, we're going to go ahead and use 2.5 ounces of Hendricks Gin. Now you can substitute Hendricks Gin for vodka if you like. From there we're going to use 1/2 ounce of dry vermouth. And to top it off, we are going to use 1 ounce of the Cornichon juice. If you're making a pickle martini, use pickle juice. Secure the top and shake it till you make it. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and garnish the martini glass with a cornichon and also 1 dill sprig. Once you're done shaking, go ahead and pour. All right. I personally do not want to try this drink. I do not like pickles or cornichons at all. To help me out with this drink, I'm going to bring in my taste tester, Maria. Now, Maria likes pickles and all this stuff, so I hope
in
the
advance,
like this.
yes, of course.
All right, go ahead, give it a try.
I'm supposed to do what?
Supposed to swirl it.
There you go. I did. I learned.
Sniff it. I don't know if you want to sniff this one though.
This comes with a hamburger already.
So what are your thoughts?
It is really good. It's better with the cornichon than with the pickle. Yes, absolutely.
How does it compare to a regular martini?
I like it better this way with the cornichon.
Oh, okay.
Is it the right way to pronounce it? But yes, I do like it actually.
But compared to like a regular martini with olives?
No, this one.
Really? Okay.
Yes.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you for your suggestions.
Thank you. There you have it.
Mine.
Definitely yours. Have that one. There you go. So, Maria likes it better than actually a regular olive martini. If you want to see more videos or send me suggestions for drinks or anything you like, please like and subscribe to my channel and comment on the video itself.